Hey, this is the story of the time that I decided to change my shed into a she shed with my little sister. So we started by drilling in all the panels on the side because they were really loose and flappy, and then we went ahead and painted it gray. And then we did all of the detailing in this silver white color. Overall, it looked really good. Then on day 2, we had to clean out the shed because there was so much clutter inside of it, and this took forever. I had to find new homes all around the house and the garage and the basement to put all this stuff because my parents wouldn't let us throw anything away. Hoarders 2.0. Then I went ahead and insulated and power washed the whole thing. I didn't feel myself power washing because there were bugs flying everywhere. I couldn't do both at the same time. Then we got some drywall and we started to hang it. It was already really dark outside, so we only hung one piece of drywall and we saved the rest for day 3 because drywall takes forever and it's not easy to work with.
Oh, it's Melvin. He's washing his whole entire driveway. Wow, he's buffering it, sanding it down. Look at the clouds. Wow, he's really moving fast. Oh, it's filthy, filthy. Absolutely filthy. Wow, he's like a rainbow color. Oh, putty, silly putty. Wow, I should buy one of these. Hey, Melvin, come over, yeah? You clean my house. Oh my gosh. He's really good. How much does he charge? I wonder. Oh, steps. Wow, they're brand new again. My gosh, I like him.
Actually got the keys for our very first house. So this is part 1 of our renovation journey. The first thing we did was remove this thick paint that was sitting on top of wallpaper to begin to prep these walls to eventually be repainted. Next, we removed these tack strips that are surrounding the living room from when there used to be carpet in this room. Next, we removed the coverings for outlets and light switches, we removed the window coverings and shutters, and we also removed the shelves from the bookcase to get ready to fix up. And the part we were most excited about was removing the carpet in the hallway. So we rolled up all of the carpet and then we rolled up the foam underneath the carpet to reveal a beautiful hardwood floor underneath. And that was our day 1. Thank you so much for watching and look out for part 2.